4 children are playing outside. They spot a cat and her 4 kittens. Suddenly, the sky becomes dark. It starts raining. The children run into the house. They stand in the veranda and enjoy the rain. Suddenly, they remember the cat and her kittens. They think that the cat and her kittens are getting wet in the rain. The children are sad. Then Mita shouts, "Look here!" She points under the sofa. The children see the cat and her kittens sleeping under the sofa. The children are very happy. They clap and sing happily.